Hi, this is Attorney Mike Revlin coming to you from Chicago. As usual, I got a fun clip from Sammy Lee. Let's do it.
I'll be right with you last one. Mr. Cuellar, you are charged with a third-degree felony, assault causing bodily injury to a family member. Your bond amount is set at $6,000.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
there wasn't a family member, or I'm not
Well,
saying.
The allegations are that it's a dating partner. It doesn't have to be blood relation, even a romantic relationship.
No, I understand.
Qualifies under the definition of domestic violence. That's the allegations involved here.
Sorry, sir, that wasn't. I was trying to get at. It's that I'm at home and I got shot in December in my talus bone. There's no way I can like get up and move around. So right now, they said I should have been issued a wheelchair. The talus bone is the bone that moves the foot up and down. I have a plate. I like not necessarily who the person is or anything, but the allegations of me doing anything. There wasn't anything like that. There was a dog, and that.
I don't want you to get into that. You got to discuss that with your lawyer.
No. I understand. I'm not saying defense or anything. I'm saying, had I done an act of that type of nature, my dog would have it would have attacked either one of us. That action didn't happen, sir. So I know what.
Okay, you dispute the charges. Do you understand the charges? The question.
Say, I'm only saying that like it didn't happen, sir.
Talk to your lawyer about it. I don't want to get any further. You've heard me share with a couple of people already before. No. This is a recorded proceeding. Whatever you say can be used against you. I cannot discuss the facts of the case with you. You got to discuss that with your lawyer. Now, I've already reviewed the whole file on your case and your criminal record and the allegations involved and victim statements and everything. I know you don't have a whole lot of money. Where do you work?
Sir, I'm a mechanic. I'm a self-employed mechanic at the house that we have is 2 shops, and I work out of one. What I'm saying is, like, I can't even move around, sir. Like, it didn't happen. I've called the police numerous times. I haven't gotten to the point where I want to, if Jessica shows up, that I call the police right away. She's not supposed to be here. I haven't gotten to that point, sir. But she's homeless, and she shows up at the house, and I'm not using that as a defense for anything, whether it happened or not. I'm saying, sir, it didn't happen. And because I didn't call the police, I woke up. I don't
know how many times to tell you this. I can't discuss those kind of
things. That, sir, but you're not considering the fact that there's nothing that happened. This is my home.
I'm not going to.
This person has shown up.
I'm not going to discuss any further. You need to understand.
Absolutely, he's not considering that fact, nor should he. Nailed it.
Understand that when I cut you off here, it's because I don't want you to compromise your own interests. I cannot discuss these facts with you, and I don't like you making statements on a recorded proceeding about what your defense is and all that kind of stuff.
And not my defense.
And what I'm saying is, I can appreciate you're passionate about it. I totally get it, but you got to discuss it with your lawyer, okay?
This is the defense I'm discussing. I'm saying it's my home. It's my home. Somebody falls asleep because I don't lock my door. The police is telling me you need to lock my doors. I don't need to lock my doors. And then homeless people come in and they fall asleep. Because I have a home or something like.
Do you have friends or family that can help?
If you have homeless people coming in and falling asleep, maybe you need to lock your door.
On you out.
No, sir. Like I'm, brother, man. Like it's hard. I can't even move, man. Like talus bone, I got shot in December, sir. I was attacked. I didn't file for criminal compensation. I didn't none of that because I don't know who shot me. I didn't even know that I could do that up until last week.
Don't worry, this gets worse.
Sir, I can't move, man. Like right here, like I started like walking, my knees messed up, my left shoulder because of that, like being on crutches and like I just wanting to move and to be able to afford to live. That's what's messing me up right now because I'm wanting to walk so I could work. I can't even do that.
So let me ask you some questions. Do you have family here in Austin?
I have family, yes, sir.
What family members do you have? Parents, brother, sister, what?
I have my entire family, sir. What does that have to do with anything?
Because I'm trying to get an idea of the network of help and support you have.
Well, I have every type of help. The only help I don't have is a police officer telling me, hey, you should file for criminal compensation, where they want properly inform you about what you can do about just being a person independently. Trying to make a life.
How much money you think your family can come up to help bond you out?
So you want my family to bond me out?
Do you have money to bond yourself out?
I haven't been able to work, so I got shot in the talus bone.
Okay, well then, what's your family working with to help you out then? If you don't have any money to bond you out, this is a felony. Let me clarify. Let me just kind of explain why I'm asking these questions. This is a felony domestic violence case. The law does not allow a personal bond on a felony domestic violence case.
Why is it a felony? Why is it a felony?
It's a felony in this case because you have a previous conviction for domestic violence. Allegedly.
I don't have a previous conviction for domestic violence. You're lying, sir.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, Judge.
Why would you do this?
Allegedly from 1990.
No. That wasn't Hayes County. That was non-prosecution of affidavit was filed. What are you talking about? A conviction? I don't know.
Well, you know what?
Call the judge a liar and then a non-prosecution of affidavit. I think he's got that a little mixed up, but okay. Wow. He is angry with the wrong guy.
Your lawyer can come talk to me about it.
No. You said I have a conviction. I don't. That was dropped completely.
I'm telling you that that's what the allegations are.
There is no allegations. You said that I have a conviction.
And I'm also looking.
I can't believe you're a judge and you told me that.
Okay.
Legally, you told me that.
I'm also looking at your official national crime records, criminal records.
And what?
That you did 90 days in jail in 1997 for an assault family violence case. 90 days.
That's ridiculous. You're ridiculous, man.
I'm not going to argue with you.
You're a judge. You're a judge, man.
All right.
I'm an adult. Okay. You're an adult, and that's ridiculous.
All right. I'm not going to argue with you anymore. I'm actually trying to help you by
Brother, I would love that help if you helped me. But
if you let him talk.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to find out what kind of money your family's got. So, because I don't want you stuck in jail unnecessarily under the circumstances. I'm familiar with the facts of the case, and I think that there is appropriate means for you to get out.
Are you familiar that I got shot, sir, and that I can't
I'm not going to argue about all that.
I can't rehab
you tell me how much money your family has to help bond you out or not. That's the question.
Brother, I have 3 references: my sister, my brother, and they're
and about give me an idea what kind of money they're working with to bond you out. That's what I'm asking.
My brother does door dancing, man. Like he hardly doesn't make any money. Like you're asking me to ask him $50. I hope I could ask him $50. Yeah. Like if he could come up with $50. My sister Angie, like everybody's told me what to do about Jessica, to file everything against her. Like, brother, like that's all I'm saying. Like they're all against the fact that she showed love, man. And I know that's my fault for not filing what is it called? The restraining orders.
Yeah. Stop talking about your case, please.
I know that's my fault, sir. I know. Actually, you say you like passion. I know that's my fault. But please, if I have to file it now, and maybe she filed it against me just to be a bitch, and excuse my language, excuse it, please, sir. But I'll do it this time. Just give me that. Just give me that.
Your bond amount set at $5,000. A bail bondsman will often charge you around 10%, which would be $500.
I know that, sir.
All right.
Please.
So you'll have an opportunity to use the phone in a little bit to try to get hold of your friends and family to try to bond out. You have 2 conditions you need to comply with once you do bond out.
I wasn't even allowed to get that many numbers, sir. I wasn't even 3 numbers.
It's time to quit talking.
Why? I don't know the numbers, sir. How can I get into contact?
Conditions of your bond.
Okay, just listen. If you bond out, regardless of how, you are required to stay 200 yards away from the alleged victim in this case.
I know that, sir.
You cannot go within 200 yards of her. And I know she doesn't live there.
How can she come to me? That's my own home, man. That's my home. I can't go anywhere. I can't walk, brother. I can't walk. You want me to? Okay, she needs to stay away from me.
You're also not allowed to have any threatening or harassing contact with her.
Dude,
200 yards away from her.
Not likely.
Why are you so just biased? I can't go towards her. I've never been able, dude. This is the most messed up that the courts can be.
It is. Do you want a court-appointed attorney to help you out? They can come talk to me.
I want a personal bond.
Would
To
you
be able to get that $500, I'll give it to you or to her to
the law
stay
does
away
not
from me.
allow a personal bond on a felony domestic violence case?
That's ridiculous, man.
Do you want
That's
a free,
ridiculous.
do you want a free lawyer to help you out?
Yeah, because I can't afford to work here. So how the hell can I afford to hire me an attorney?
Have your attorney come talk to me. I'll remember.
Man, give me a break. Can you give me an attorney?
Are we good?
Yeah, we're going to give
Thank
you.
you, thank you, sir.
All right. You understand that if you get out of jail, you can't. You
Man, I
can't.
understand all that. I did 14 years, sir. Give me a break. You're using my 1997 conviction against me. I did 14 years, brother. I know how fucked up you are, and I know how fucked up everything is. But thank you in every way.
Okay.
Thank you, Your
Look.
Honor. Thank you. Yeah, good luck to you, man.
I'm gonna go to 4 North to do the Nepali.
Okay. Do we have an interpreter?
Well, that went well, didn't it? Woo! Someone's angry. From the get, the judge could not have been nicer. He was trying so hard. He was trying so hard to help the guy out. He called him a liar for stating that he had a conviction, and then later admits that he had the conviction. He admits to violating conditions, all gratuitously. None of it necessary. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.